Hey y'all, welcome to this 10-minute flow state yoga session to help you connect with your mind and body with fluid transitions and moving meditation. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session. Let us begin. Namaste. We're going to start off in a comfortable seating position with our eyes closed, and we're going to deep breathe through our nose and out through our mouth. I want you to continue to deep breathe, and as you inhale, I want you to welcome presence. And as you exhale, I want you to release resistance as I say this affirmation. I am subconsciously fully present in this moment, and my breath guides my flow. We're going to come to a tabletop position. We're going to inhale, dropping our belly and lifting our chest into cow pose. And we're going to exhale, rounding our spine into cat pose. And we're going to synchronize our breath and our movement for a few rounds. We're going to transition back into our tabletop position and move into thread the needle pose. So I want you to reach your right arm up and thread it under your left. And I want you to rest your cheek on the mat as I say this affirmation. I move with ease and trust my rhythm. Let your breath move you and not your thoughts as we switch sides. We're going to step at the top of the mat. We're going to inhale with our arms lifted overhead. We're going to exhale and fold forward into forward fold. And we're going to inhale, lifting halfway to lengthen our spine. We're going to exhale, stepping into plank. And as we lower ourselves, we're going to inhale, moving into cobra pose. And we're going to exhale, moving into downward dog. I want you to flow through this 2 to 3 more times at your own pace, starting at the top of the mat in mountain pose. I am in harmony with my body and breath. We're going to step into Warrior One, and we're going to inhale, reaching our arms up, and we're going to exhale, opening into Warrior Two. We're going to inhale, moving into Reverse Warrior, and we're going to exhale, moving into Side Angle Pose. Allow your movements to feel effortless. Your body knows what it's doing as we move through this flow 2 to 3 more times. And we're going to switch to our left side as I say this affirmation. I trust myself. I move from my intuition, not control. We're going to shift into tree pose, so I want you to place your foot on your inner thigh or calf and find balance. We're going to softly gaze forward, and I want you to deep breathe as you embody this affirmation. I am grounded yet free. We're going to inhale, lifting both arms up, and with both feet on the ground, we're going to exhale, folding forward, slowly releasing any tension. And we're going to switch sides for tree pose, so softly place that other foot in your inner thigh or calf and find your balance and gaze forward. And just like on the other side, we're going to inhale, lifting our arms up, and with both feet on the ground, we're going to fold forward slowly, releasing any tension. We're going to come to a seated position with our legs extended in front of us. We're going to fold over our legs into seated forward fold as we inhale to lengthen our spine and exhale to surrender deeply. We're going to transition into easy pose with our legs crossed as I say this affirmation. I flow with life, not against it. We're going to gently move into seated twist, so I want you to inhale and twist your body to the left, and you're going to exhale, and you're going to inhale one more time and twist your body to the right. And slowly exhale one more time. I want you to sit tall and notice how your energy feels clear, fluid, and peaceful. At this time, bring your hands to your heart center, and I want you to thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this video helped you, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with somebody who may need a pause in their day. I will see you guys in the next one. Namaste.